Hello guys, welcome back to Space-Mania interior channel. Alright, we're again here on our first interior design job. Just as I've mentioned in my previous shots, that I was going to be posting a space by space overview of how we design this space for our clients, how we install the cabinetry and the rest for the clients. Alright, so this is the kitchen. Please, before we continue, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel, like and share. Thank you and God bless. Alright, so in this video I was actually showing my clients what we have done so far, because my client wasn't in the country. Alright, so I was making a video for him. This was me here testing the extractor and the cooker hub. All right, so this is the plate rack, the plastic plate rack that we got. All right, please bear in mind that I designed this kitchen with a 3D software, SketchUp, and also did the cutting list with a plugin in the software. Then I headed over to the market to purchase the board and also other accessories needed to assemble the kitchen. After then, I called an installer to help to put all this we are looking at together. All right, so this was me checking the magic corner. Initially, the plan wasn't to have the magic corner over there. All right, so it happened that we got all of our accessories and appliances in Lagos, and the project happened to take place in Osun State. All right, so during the assembly we discovered that the magic corner was meant for the right, but we've designed our cabinet in such a way that it will only fit a left magic corner. So at the end of the day, due to the distance and cost of taking it back and bringing another one, we opted to having the magic corner on the island. So this place is the pantry. All right, so on a scale of 1 to 10, please write on the comment section and tell me what you feel. All right, please do not mind the choice of marble that we chose. We actually had a better marble, but the client opted out for, although I love this black granite, but I don't actually like the other one. Thank you very much.